Hello everybody, viewers, Tiny Home Adventure. Put your mind to it, the channel name and
Brenda.
Look like the intro going a little bit longer than what it used to go. So
Yeah.
you all.
Well, I have to duck down a little bit first, but look like you're shrinking.
Yeah, we go back over the videos. Have you noticed that? You can see my head, but I have to see you.
Yeah,
and my head is shorter than hers is.
Yeah, that was all weight, you know.
Y'all, it's kind of cold out here. We're going on a journey today. Y'all stay on our journey for the day. We be right back.
Oh, yeah. She eating garlic. Oh, it stink.
Y'all, these are some nice little hats right here. Walmart is moving up. Look at that. The material is really soft. These are some nice little hats. They're not really... Yeah, got balls at the top. But they ain't better than the safe. They ain't better than the safe. Oh, Brenda ain't got one on her head. Excuse me. Not today. This is what they call. I like this when you can kind of turn it that way and that way. Haha. Yeah. We're in here looking for house shoes for Brenda. These are a size. You need a size 7, don't you?
Oh,
Don't you need a size 7?
for my hand. My hand is
What size shoe you wear?
11, 12.
11, 12.
Yeah.
I'm in a 7 or 7.5, but I got these short, fat feet. Let me feel the cushion of that one. Oh, look. But then they get hard, don't they?
They elevated. They got air in.
Oh,
Yeah, they got like an air lift. That's
I like
what
those.
need.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see. Hold them up. Them the ones you're going to get right there?
Yeah, I like this color.
Okay, then. You guys stay tuned for balcony talk. Because we're going to leave Walmart. That's all we came in here for was shoes.
Light?
Yep. Let me feel.
They light.
Oh, they are light. At first, I thought they were heavy for real.
They light.
Y'all, Brenda didn't want me talking to her in the car because I ate a garlic clove. Look, let me blow. Y'all, I'm cutting up me some cucumbers. When I tell you I really eat weird, I eat weird, okay? And I eat anything. So I decided to do some cucumbers, and I'm gonna put something else in there. Now, after the cucumbers, I'm gonna throw me some oranges over in here. Kind of give it a little bit of flavor. Looks good. I can't use red dressing, so I thought about something else I'm gonna put over the top of this. But it looks pretty, doesn't it? Let's see what's gonna come. Wow, you all. Look what else I got. Pomegranate. Sprinkle a little bit of those over here. Now, this is something I made up. Long as I'm very hungry, so I figure I'd do this. Give it a little bit of flavor. Pomegranate. I peeled this pomegranate. Nice flavor already. You all, I wasn't gonna do it, but I'm gonna throw some bananas over in there because I had some bananas that was getting too ripe, so I decided to put some bananas over in here. Different. I'm just smashing them because I got the camera in my hand, so that's different. Also, let me show you all what I'm gonna pour on top of it. All right, this is what I'm gonna put on top of it, you all, and this is not being sponsored, believe me. This is something that Brenda got, and I said I gotta try it. Oh wait, I need to shake it up again because it's oil. I looked on the back. It's not high in sodium. It's not high in too much of anything. So a little bit of that. I think that should be good. But I got something else. So we got cucumbers. We got tangerines. We got bananas. And we got that. One more thing. Okay, that was vinaigrette dressing if I didn't tell you all. But when I get a sweet craving now, even though it might be high, but I don't do too much of it, I put a little bit of raisins in my salad. Yeah, so I've made a salad already. All right, this is the concoction I done came up with on this. I'm gonna see how it's gonna taste. I don't know about the taste, but it's got all kinds of stuff in here. Oh wow, the dressing, the vinaigrette dressing. Let's try. Let me try these cucumbers. I hadn't tried the dressing before, but the dressing seems like it's pretty good. So let me try it. Okay. I can work with them. Very good. Simple, smart, and healthy.
Okay, K-Love girl. I know I was gone on your birthday, but I promised you that birthday song, girl. So here it is. Happy belated birthday. It was on December the 6th. So here we go. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, K-Love. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday.
Wait, I got a string hanging.
Whee! Happy birthday, girl. Hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah,
All right. Hey there, YouTuber.
hello, everybody.
It's Balcony Talk today.
Balcony talk.
And I got the board. Oh, y'all. You will never, ever guess what this ain't happening.
Yes, it will.
No.
On my board.
Look, y'all. I see y'all. Can you see me? Y'all will never guess
Yes, you
this.
will. Yes, you will.
No, you won't.
Wait, wait, Brenda, look. Watch this. Come on.
No.
Come on.
Ow!
Ooh.
Ow, 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 ow. That hurt. You know, I got that. Oh, that hurt.
I'm
That
sorry.
hurt.
Okay,
It's in your
come on.
toes. Oh, no.
Come on.
No.
Come on. Let's do the handshake.
Oh, you don't know how to do
Look,
it.
y'all get. Look, yes I do.
Y'all,
Yes I do. Come on.
She been eating garlic, y'all. And I had to ride in the car with her today. It was so cold. But boy, you can put me on an ice cube that woo.
I try to swallow garlic in the daytime
you
now. I
chewed
take
it.
it. I chewed one of them up and I shouldn't have left. I shouldn't have chewed it up. I just tried it. But
Y'all, I ain't
I'm
think
gonna
I
start
was
letting
gonna
it. I
make it.
don't even know if I should soak it in water because that can really be worser. Worser? Is that a word? Worser? Worser? But we'll figure out. I don't want the.
Worse.
I don't want the vitamin. I want the real stuff. I don't want the vitamin.
Swallow it.
But it ain't gonna break it up.
Your stomach, if your stomach acid can dissolve your hand, it will dissolve
Yeah,
that
we
garlic.
were looking at that.
Really.
That's amazing. Your stomach acid
I
can
tried
dissolve
that,
your
yeah.
head.
But y'all,
It's that strong. Yeah, because I
it's
eat
past strong.
I'm
But
talking
y'all,
about dissolve. I ain't talking about the.
the acid is it's like car
Wait just a
battery
minute. Wait
acid.
just a minute. Watch this. What? It don't. No, no. You don't smell my.
Yeah, it does. It's like reeking out your pores.
My skin smell like it. I
Yeah.
eat garlic every day now, y'all. For real. I really.
For real, y'all.
For real.
But look, I got 2 did you know facts.
I got one too.
Oh, Phyllis said she got one
I got
too.
one too.
But y'all, do y'all know why it's 52 cards in a deck of cards? The 52 cards is for the 52 weeks of the year, and the 4 suits are for the 4 seasons. Who the fuck? Then I got one where, you know, the t-shirts. The t-shirts were designed in 1904 for bachelors.
T-shirts that you wear?
T-shirts that you wear
Uh-huh.
were designed in 1904, and they were designed for the bachelors who couldn't sew buttons or repair their shirts. Therefore, they
Oh.
created T-shirts for them to just slip
For the
over their
men
body.
that couldn't do it.
Exactly.
Who would've
Who'da
thought?
thought? And y'all,
Who would have thought? That she said.
I found out something today
What was that?
that really better than some human mothers. The mother bear
Yeah, I seen that.
will step in the middle of the street and look for cars
I seen
before she let her cubs cross the street. Did you know that? A lot of mothers don't even get up for their kids to go to school. I'm talking about the little ones.
Yep. Yep.
So, you know, peoples, y'all can learn a lot from animals. Pay attention.
Pay attention. Pay attention.
And again, get what we got for y'all today, y'all. We got Family Feud.
But guess what? We picked our own cards.
Yes.
So I picked my one. I don't know who wants to go first. Do you want to go first?
Yeah.
You want to go first?
Let me read you.
Okay.
Let me read
Go.
yours because I'm gonna get confused if I need a hint. Y'all already know.
Dum 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 dum
Look.
dum. There she go with that pad, y'all.
No, but look.
What?
Look. Okay.
Bring another pad, y'all.
But I gotta get to see. Look. Is you ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm
Okay,
ready.
y'all.
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. Name one word polite people use instead of cursing.
Excuse me.
No, pay attention. Name one word polite people, nice people,
Yeah.
use instead of cursing.
God darn it.
Okay, I give you that one. Darn. What else?
Yogi. Yogi.
Huh?
Yogi Bear. Yeah, Yogi Bear. Oh.
Yeah, what?
Heck no. Heck no. Bewitched. Oh, that don't go. That ain't get with nothing. I don't know even where that came from.
That's one of my. I love that show.
I love that.
Oh,
Give me a hint. You picked that card. You picked that card.
you ain't guess, but you ain't guess for
You just-
one. I'm sorry, but you ain't guess for one.
I said,
Something, okay, something you can't have anymore that you love.
candy. Got candy.
Not candy. It's in candy.
Chocolate. Got chocolate. Be right back.
Here come a train, y'all.
Okay, y'all.
Okay, y'all, we back. Y'all know that
The
train
train.
is very unpredictable, y'all.
That train, man. But we were on that question that Brenda said.
Yeah.
You said it again.
Okay. It's something that you love but you can't have no more.
Chocolate, Lee. Chocolate,
No,
Lee.
it's in chocolate.
Cocoa.
No.
No, I can't, y'all. I can't figure this one out. She
What's
gets it
in
back.
candy?
Sugar.
Ding, 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 you got it!
That ain't no cuss word. That, you don't use that word. Give me a word with that.
They are polite people, remember?
They say,
polite.
hey, sugar. Huh?
And instead of saying you so-and-so, you sugar!
I ain't never heard that before.
I ain't never heard it either, but it's on this
I ain't
board.
never heard that.
But look,
I never heard
you
that.
still got 3 more.
Okay, if I got 3 more, give me a hint.
For
Yeah, because I don't know. I said, God darn it.
Okay, you got that one. And
Shucks.
Nope.
Shoot.
Yeah, that's one. You got it. You got that one. Okay, come on. You got 2 more.
You lemon monster. Lemon blow. Blue, blue, blah.
Bye.
I'm trying. No, because you know what?
What?
I know. My mama and them, they ain't use no black words. I don't care who that is. We're going to say it, Don't come out the mouth.
But,
I don't know. You got to give me a hint.
What kids say and people that and the parents say, don't say that because it's too close to.
Darn! Dang!
Dang, you got it!
Woo! You got it! Oh, we used to get choked for saying dang.
Yeah.
We couldn't even say that. We couldn't even say
No,
that.
couldn't say that
We say,
either.
okay.
You got
telling
one
the
more.
story. You telling the story.
Huh?
You telling the field. You telling the story, telling the field. Y'all know that. Y'all know that.
Yeah,
What
but-
did your mama used to say? Could you lie? Could you lie? Could you lie? Could you lie? Could you lie?
That's wrong. You got one more.
Okay, what is it? Give me a hint. I don't know. shoot.
I can't.
You can't even give me a hint on this one, huh?
Nope.
Okay, give me a body gesture. Shucks.
No.
You know, I can't say nothing. I just wanted to back there with you, bad guys. We ain't gonna say that.
Well, it's you give up.
Yes.
Fudge.
I never.
Instead
my
of
mama
saying,
and them never said that.
No, that was that polite people. Polite people use these
My mama was
words.
polite. Your mama was polite. They knew what they were saying.
No.
Hey, what you say? Oh, fudge.
Fudge. No, instead of saying the other F word, they say fudge. You ain't never heard about it?
No,
I have.
I haven't. I've been cussed at all my life, though. I don't know no polite ones that I was told to me. Shuck, shoot, duck. My mama didn't even say nothing. Okay, ready for me?
Nah. No, but.
Oh, yeah, I had a did you know fact, too.
Okay, what did you know fact? You know?
One did you know fact. Did you know your fingernails grow faster than your toenails? Let me tell you why. Do you want to know why?
I know why.
Why? Tell the people why.
Oh, because sunlight hits your fingernails, and they grow faster. Your toes is always covered up,
It's always
so they
covered
get
up.
in that sunlight.
Did you know?
Got it.
Don't you quit at me. Y'all, I want to ask y'all a question.
Uh-oh.
Do y'all,
Uh-oh.
before I do my card, y'all throw me something out there. What? Before you play a game, Johnny struck a match and the match went out and they moved their foot. Y'all remember that? You remember the jump roping? Remember the child game there? What's another child game? Mother May I think we invented Mother May
Mother, may I? Red light, green light, stop.
Yeah, it was red light, green light. What no red light, green light, stop? It was red light, green light. It wasn't no red light, green light, stop.
Red light, green light.
Yeah,
No.
but that was it. The game was red light, green light. Yes, it was.
No, well, we must have played it different because it was like, red light,
green
light.
That was the game.
It was like, because we had red light, yellow light, green light, stop. You have to start. When you first say red light, you have to stop. You have to start.
Where you from?
It's your
Y'all been playing right.
Well, y'all been playing right.
Y'all been red light, green light.
It was like red light, green light, stop. Red light,
I
yellow
ain't never
light,
heard
green
that.
light, stop.
Y'all let me know y'all never heard
It
that.
was red light, yellow light, green light, stop. When you turn around, you have to be on stop.
It's red light, green light. Red light, green light.
Red light, yellow light, green light, stop.
Brenda, I told you.
Phyllis,
I told you. I don't know where you get that game from, but we didn't make it to y'all to let y'all know how to play it the right, say the right word. Because it was red light, green light. You got it all messed up. You got it twisted. You really do.
I know how.
Okay,
what about Rocket Robin?
We just used to dance off Rocket Robin. Who Rocket
No,
Robin?
we had, four of us get up. Don't worry, no, we're not doing your
Okay.
Okay, come on, give me.
London Bridge too.
No, come on, just read me the card, because you be trying to do that shake that you can't do. No.
Okay.
No. No.
Name, Lord, these words look blurred. Name something you read
Phyllis?
on a sunny day.
Huh?
Name something you might rent on a sunny day.
A boat.
Yep.
Jet skis.
Yeah.
The water's okay. Car.
Yeah. You definitely would need this.
Tools.
Okay. Huh?
A heavy duty equipment. You know when you got the.
No, that ain't on there.
How many more I got?
1, 2, 3.
3 more.
Yep, just three.
Just three. Something. A movie.
Yeah.
Something you might rent.
Yep. On a sunny day. Okay, you a
Oh boy. Y'all, here we go. Okay. I think I need a hint.
You definitely. You definitely need this on a sunny day. What I'm gonna tell you.
Umbrella. When you said, yep, I need 2, 3 of them.
Sunny and rainy. Yep.
And they need a couple for the blackout blinds.
Okay, and one more.
Oh.
This used to be, but you don't do it no more.
Uh-oh.
Don't nobody do. Yes, they do. They still do it. Yes, they do. They still do it.
You smell like garlic.
She said it's coming through my pores. Smell my arm.
I ain't got to get that close.
Come on.
Ooh,
Come on, rub it on.
get my.
Keep vampires away.
What?
Come on, shake.
Well, this show keep me away. Move.
Move.
I ain't got no but this. You can't reach.
What?
You sure your arm? And you gotta get my other hand.
She always talk about these short arms. Look, I can reach your other hand. Let me see.
You're about 2 feet away.
Okay, one more.
Oh, please. Hurry up.
Y'all, I done broke my teeth.
I'm
I gotta
suffering.
go back and see like I did you brush your tongue too.
Bro, you got way back there.
And then she was in the car with me, and she kept letting the window
Ooh,
up
I had to
down.
hold my head out the window.
I will never chew garlic again.
Yeah, right. I got one more. We got one more, so I ain't got to get real close. I can hold the board.
Oh yeah, we got the board.
Yeah, you got the
Okay,
board.
what is? You know this. You know this. You know this. You know this. And they
No,
been doing
I
it for
want a
years.
hint.
Okay.
No, what is it?
the
Don't
hint.
put nothing
Oh,
up.
you want me to do the
Because
hint?
I know what you do.
You want me to do the hint?
Yeah.
Okay. The hint is
A box? Antenna. TV? You rent a TV? What? I don't know. What? You drew a box and then you did that like an antenna, so I say TV.
okay.
An open box. What?
Okay, let me do this.
Square. House.
You got TV antenna, right? Wait.
A box and cable box.
You read them. You read it. You mean, oh my God, I'm giving her all the answer.
No, you not.
You said TV antenna.
Okay.
Okay, let me do it like this.
Internet. Cable. A plug. What you-
No. You get it. Okay.
TV antenna. VCR. CD player.
Come on, you got it. Come on, you can do it. Come
DVD player.
on. You're close. Something you rent. How come she can't figure this out, y'all? Come on, make it in.
A TV antenna. I said TV though.
You close, though. You close. Something that you rent. Oh, God.
The game. NBA pad. NFL pad.
I cannot believe
Team pass.
She's going all over the
Football.
She all in the gravy, and they don't even know flavor. The flavor of the meat that's
Well,
in the
you're
gravy.
supposed to be giving me the hint
I
so I
did.
can get the flavor.
It used to be look like this. They used to look like this.
Huh?
Now they look like this.
CD. CD music.
You rent movie.
I said movies.
You didn't say no movie.
I did.
Y'all, she said.
Y'all didn't tell her in the comments that I said. I did say movies.
You did, Brenda. You went. I said TV antenna. You didn't.
But
know
I
what
said yes. I did.
Okay, we'll go back. We will know if the
Okay.
evidence is there. We will know. Okay.
You know you cheat all the time.
No, you did not say that.
I said movie. I had got. Ooh.
What did you say?
Ooh, my God. Okay, show me your board. Let me hold it for you. Come on. That's, ooh, my God.
Okay, y'all. Y'all know the channel is Put Your Mind to It. Ooh, Lord. I'm gonna sit back down again. It's about to be glad I got it. Okay, y'all. There's the board. Let me zoom in a little bit more. All right, you know the channel name is Put Your Mind to It. And
Can y'all guess this?
okay, you can drop it. You can put it down. They can guess it.
No, they can't.
Okay. And what would you like to say, Brenda?
Like,
Wait a minute. Okay.
share,
Uh-huh.
subscribe,
Uh-huh.
and don't forget to hit y'all notification bell so y'all can be alerted to all our new uploads.
Yes, and we need you to share.
Make sure you hit those like buttons. Like.
And also, Brenda, what we got up here?
Up here, y'all.
What we got right there?
It's somewhere up here is our name and address. So until next time, later.